The Welsh Government is responsible for making decisions on many of the issues that affect our day-to-day lives. The UK Parliament makes laws on certain issues that affect the whole of the UK. These are called reserved subjects, including nuclear energy, foreign affairs and defence. In Wales, we can make laws on issues that aren't reserved to the UK Parliament. The Welsh Government proposes ideas for laws and makes decisions on how to spend around £26 billion a year on issues like education, healthcare, the environment, culture and language, and transport. The job of the other members of the Senedd is to consider, debate, and vote on the laws proposed, and money spent by the Welsh Government, and make suggestions on steps that should be taken to make Wales a better place to live and work. Since 1999, some significant laws have been passed that have helped make Wales a leading country for recycling, given the Welsh language official status, and made significant changes to the organ donation system.